let us make 2.5 axis packeting. So in RhinoCAM, under Programs, we can open up the 2 axes, and there you find pocketing. Open it up and select all the curves, the black ones in this case, in which we're going to do the packeting. After you do that, please select the tool. Let me load the settings of this tool, and I might change the speed and lower it just a little bit, and the departure too. The clearance, 1/2 inch, and the Cad parameters. Over here, I want to change the percentage of the width in which the tool is gonna cut, and make sure we're gonna cut inside, not outside of these shapes. And notice that we have all of these possibilities. We're gonna see few of them in just a little bit. The cut levels, let me select the top. Let me switch to perspective, zoom in, and select the end point, this corner. And I want to go as deep as maybe 0.375, and the step of each cut is gonna be maybe 0.11. The entry, I'm going to leave it as it is. Advanced parameters, they stay as they are, and sorting, maybe minimum distance. Let me go back to Cad parameters and make sure to set up the stock to 0. Generate, and there we have the toolpath. One thing that we always have to check is simulate and see what the tool is doing on your material. Let me stop, go back to Programs, and down here, look, down here, let me drag and place that processing in order. Let's find out how long it will take to do that packeting, more or less 30 minutes. Double click and let us change the Cad parameters. How about offset spiral? Generate and right click, information, almost the same. Let's select another one. Double click, Cad parameters, linear. Let's see linear. The tool is gonna go back and forth, going up, going down, going up, going down. So let's see how long this would take. Almost an hour. So let me go back and I stick to maybe offset spiral. Generate. And once I have that, we can post the G code for this. Preview until the end and turn off turn off the material, the part, and there you have it. You can see how the end result is gonna be. So there you see it in action. Offset spiral. Really fast, really smooth. And the machine barely stops. So the tool is always moving. There it goes for the second and the third. And this is the final result. I hope you like it and you use it.